Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we were talking about Flag Day. So let's look at our questions. What does Flag Day celebrate? I picked C, that it celebrates the decision made by the United States leaders in 1777 about what the flag would look like. And it tells us that in the first paragraph over here. What does the text describe? It describes the way the United States flag has changed over the years. Right, in the second paragraph, it talks about how it has changed. People celebrate both the American flag and the United States on Flag Day. What evidence from the text supports this statement? What do we find in the little passage that tells us that this is true? So I picked A, and I can see that over here where it's celebrated. What did the United States flag look like before the last two states joined the country? That one was a little tricky. It wasn't right in here, but it tells us that after they joined, that brought us up to 50 states. And the stars grew as the states grew. So we know that the flag had 13 stripes then and 48 stars. What is the main idea of this text? That is A, Flag Day is a day to celebrate the decision made by the United States leaders in 1777 about what the flag would look like. The flag has changed over the years as more states join the country. And the answer is A, because that's what the whole passage is about. Right? It talks about how they came to the decision and how the flag changed. That's what the main thing of our passage is about. Then for our math today, we have our shapes, and if we needed this page to cut out or to trace, we could use that to help us see which shapes were used. If you didn't, you can just trace it and color them in for fun. All right, I drew on mine so I could see where the shapes would go. And that was what helped me match them. I had a hexagon and two triangles, so I matched that over here. I had a triangle and a trapezoid, so I matched that down here. I had a rhombus, a trapezoid, and a triangle. And then I had three rhombuses, or rhombi as they're supposed to be said, and that would go up there. All right, I will see you back tomorrow, and I hope you have a wonderful night because it's supposed to rain the next few days, so enjoy it while you can.